Sophie, something is seriously wrong with Mom today. I know. She has been staring at her phone for 3 hours straight. I asked her what is for dinner and she said, double tap to like. I asked her to sign my permission slip and she said, swipe right. She is completely lost inside that phone screen right now, entirely. We need to do something about this situation immediately before it gets worse. Sophie, I think Mom needs our help more than ever right now. Max, we need to parent our own parent. This is very serious indeed.
Honey, what is that new app you downloaded on your phone yesterday?
It is called FamilyShare. Everyone at work is completely obsessed with it.
What does FamilyShare actually do exactly, Mom? You share photos, videos, and funny moments with your family and friends online. That actually sounds like a very nice and wholesome app, honestly, Mom.
I just posted our breakfast photo and already got 47 likes already.
Mom, breakfast has been sitting on the table for 20 minutes already now.
Just one more second, sweetheart. Almost done posting this.
Mom, you said one more second 17 times already this morning alone today.
Did I? This photo of our garden just hit 200 likes.
Mom, the garden photo was taken 3 years ago, before we even moved here.
Really? Well, it is getting lots of attention right now.
Mom, your coffee has been completely cold for 45 minutes sitting there.
Oh, I should post a photo of this cold coffee.
Mom, please put the phone down and just drink your coffee while it is cold.
Cold coffee, but warm heart. Anyone else relate to this?
Is she actually gone?
I think she is.
Has anyone seen my car keys? I cannot find them anywhere this morning.
We have not seen them anywhere, Dad. Have you checked the kitchen counter?
I already checked everywhere twice. Honey, have you seen my car keys today?
Oh, I posted a photo of your keys yesterday, actually.
You posted a photo of my car keys? On the internet?
Why exactly, honey? They were sitting in a beam of sunlight. And it looked absolutely beautiful, Mike.
Where is this very safe somewhere exactly that you put them, honey?
I will remember in just one more second, honey.
This situation is getting much worse than we initially thought.
We need to make a very serious plan starting right now.
Okay, we need a proper strategy to help Mom with her phone problem today. Sophie, I have been thinking about this very carefully for the past 2 days. What is your plan exactly? And please make it a sensible one this time.
First, we need to show Mom how much time she is actually spending on her phone.
That is actually a very good and sensible starting point for our plan, Max.
Second, we show her all the things she has been completely missing around her.
Like Dad's missing car keys and 17 cold cups of coffee this week alone?
Exactly. And third, we suggest she sets a proper daily screen time limit herself.
Max, that is genuinely one of your better plans that you have ever made.
Sophie, all of my plans are genuinely good. Some are just more obvious than others.
Max, you once suggested we train the neighbor's cat to do our homework for us.
Sophie, that plan had real potential, and we gave up on it far too quickly.
Mom, we need to talk to you about something very important right now, please.
Of course. What is going on with you two today?
Mom, we checked your phone screen time report from this past week together.
Oh? And what did it say exactly? Probably just a little bit of time.
Mom, you spent 11 hours and 43 minutes on FamilyShare this week alone.
That cannot possibly be right. Let me check that myself right now.
Mom, that is almost 2 full hours every single day on just one app.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, you missed Dad's work dinner on Tuesday because you were posting photos online.
I did not miss it. I was there for the first 15 minutes at least.
Mom, you took 40 photos of the restaurant bread basket and then went home early.
The bread basket was very photogenic that evening. It really truly was. Mom, we are not trying to make you feel bad about any of this at all. I know, sweetheart. I can see that you are both genuinely worried about me.
We just miss having you fully present with us throughout our days, Mom.
Tell me what I have been missing this week.
You missed Sophie's spelling test result. She got 100% on it, Mom.
You got 100%? Oh, sweetheart.
I wanted to show you right away, but you were busy posting a sunset photo.
I am so sorry I missed that moment. That was a very important moment.
And Dad fixed the leaking sink finally. It only took him 4 attempts this time.
Only 4 attempts? That is actually a new personal record for your father.
I heard that, and I am choosing to take it as a compliment.
I am going to set a 1-hour daily limit on FamilyShare starting right now today.
Does anyone in your family spend too much time on their phone every day? Tell us your funniest phone addiction story in the comments section below, everyone! We genuinely want to hear every single one of your relatable family stories. Please remember to like and share this video with all your friends today. And subscribe to Daily Say English for many more exciting and funny stories ahead. Goodbye, everyone, and see you again very soon. Bye-bye!